Good morning, students. Let's start the second part of the chapter nouns number. In first part we learned that when we are going to change from singular to plural, there are some rules. We follow some rules by adding s or es. The first rule that we did, that was a simple, that only by adding s we change from singular to plural only by adding s. But there are some more rules. If a noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch and x, then we are to make the plural by adding es. Again I am telling you, if a noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch and x, then for making it a plural noun we are to just add es to it. Okay, for example, boss, bosses. As you can see that in this word, in the end double s is there, so we are to add es in this. Fox, foxes. There is x at the end, so we have added es. I hope this rule is clear to you. If a noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch, x, then we are to add es to make it a plural noun. There is one more rule for changing from singular to plural. If a noun ends in a consonant plus y, drop the y and add ies to its singular form in order to change its plural form. For example, hobby. All of you know the spelling of hobby, Hobby. There is y in the end. So Hobby, if we see in this word, in this noun, there is y at the end, and before y there is consonant b, hobby, by. So before y there is consonant. That's why for making it from singular to plural we will use ies, hobbies. It will be hobbies. So this is the another rule. The next one is, if a noun ends in y but before y there is vowel. In the first rule we did that before y there is consonant, and now in this rule, before y if there is any vowel, then simply we are to add s to it. As for example, storey, story is written, so if we are going to change it into plural it will be stories. See the spelling, storey. There is y at the end, and before y there is e, so e is vowel. So for making it into plural we are to simply add only s. You can see here in this slide, stories, storeys, stories. tray, trays. Clear? Y, there is y at the end, and before y there is vowel a, so y is followed by a vowel. That's why we are just to add s to this. After that, some plural nouns are irregular and their spellings need to be memorized, as child, children. Okay, there are many nouns like this that we are to change from singular to plural. For that there is no rule. We are to learn the spellings, we are to learn their plural, what will be the plural of their. Then after child, children, this slide is shown to you. Child is singular and children is plural, so here no rule is added in this, so these we say that irregular nouns. After that, there are some nouns that end in f or fe. There is f or fe at the end. So what we are to do in this, we are to simply remove f and fe and add VES as LEAF, leaf. So what will be the plural of leaf? Leaves, LEAVES. In the same way, knife, knives, KNIVES, knives. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Our chapter is completed. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Be happy, be safe.